Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Uber and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can go to Uber app and you can update your app here in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.